Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, steel wheels, FWD, wheel covers, headlights auto off, mirror memory. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.